Hello, I'm Rebecca of Pocket Full of Posies, and I am here today in my work studio at work, costume room, cave, here at work, and I have something very exciting to share with you today. It is a vintage 1950s evening gown, and I wanted to share it with you and show you the insides of it and talk about it a little bit because it's a very beautiful dress, and it was donated to our theater department, and I just wanted to share it with all of you. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, here she is. It is a beautiful confection. Gorgeous tulle. Lovely, lovely, lovely details. It is full length. And, oops. These sequins are so pretty. They're pink and green. And I want to share the insides with you. It is sleeveless. It has a zipper in the back, a metal zipper. And I'm going to put it on my dress form so that we can see it. All right, she is. I had to take Ursula off of my dress form to put this on. But here it is on the dress form. See, it's very long. It's a very long dress. So I'm assuming the person who owned it was quite tall. As you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Doesn't quite fit my dress form, but it has this little bow in the back. And then, yeah, it is so, so pretty. One thing that I find interesting is that this panel is only on the front of the dress. It doesn't go all the way around. It stops before it gets to the back. So it doesn't have all those details in the very back of the dress, which I found quite interesting. I don't know if there ever was a panel back there or not. All right, so now I'm going to put it on the dress form inside out so we can see the inside. Okay, so got it on the dress form inside out. I just pinned it on. I didn't zip it at all. But now we can see all of the bodice details on the inside, all of the construction details. Now, what I find, it's boned all the way up here on both sides, these princess seams. And the raw edges are raw. On the taffeta underskirt, the raw edges are pinked. So this leads me to believe that this was either a home seamstress, a homemade dress, or it was made for someone by someone else. But this is most definitely not a mass-produced gown, which is so awesome. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so it's got this underlayer of taffeta. Here's our metal zipper. And yeah, all of the raw edges on the taffeta layer are pinked. They are the waistline. Let's try to get in there. Got this layer of oh, what's it called? Horsehair, I think. Some kind of stiff netting. These see if I can focus on that. It's very, very cool. It's just a really, really beautiful dress. And I don't know a lot about vintage clothes. As far as, like I said, this was just donated to our theater department. It's never been used in a show. It's never been worn by anyone here. Because it's in such good shape, I am thinking I'm going to use it in a show. I just have to, you know, make sure that whoever wears it is very careful with it. But because it was donated for that reason, it wasn't donated just to sit and be looked at. So I would like to be able to use it if possible. So yeah, if any of you out there are experts on cleaning or restoring vintage clothing, let me know. And what should I do to the bodice of this dress? I mean, it's in great shape. It's got some age spots, definitely. But is there anything I should do to it? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. To support the channel further, I have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you on our next sewing adventure. Bye!